Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change location in T3 Arena. To change your location in T3 Arena, first of all, open up the T3 Arena game on your device. From the main lobby screen, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on Options. Inside the Options menu, go ahead and select Account from the list. Now, this will open up the account info section where you'll need to tap on Edit right next to Location. Now from the location options, select a different region or location you want to switch to. Right after you do that, click on Confirm and this will restart the game to connect to the new server or location. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.